top secret military technologies you weren't meant to know about. Have you ever wondered what secret military technologies are hiding behind locked doors? Today, we're revealing 7 top secret military projects that were once classified, but are now public. Let's dive into the world of high-tech warfare and unbelievable defense experiments. Fact 1. Project Aurora, hypersonic spy plane. For years, people reported mysterious sonic booms and strange triangular aircraft in the sky. Many believe this was Project Aurora, a top-secret hypersonic plane that could fly at Mach 6. While the U.S. government never confirmed its existence, many insiders and leaked documents say it was real. Fact 2. DARPA's insect cyborgs. Yes, you heard that right. DARPA, the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, experimented with cyborg insects. These were real bugs implanted with microchips, used for surveillance in enemy areas. Tiny, nearly invisible, and deadly effective. Fact 3. Project Silent Talon, stealth drones. This top-secret drone program focused on ultra-stealth UAVs that couldn't be detected by radar. They're used for covert missions, surveillance, and even precision strikes, all while being visible to the enemy. Fact 4. Electromagnetic railgun. The U.S. Navy developed a weapon that uses electromagnetic force instead of gunpowder. It can launch projectiles at 7 times the speed of sound, with 0 explosives. Pure kinetic energy, traveling hundreds of miles in seconds. Fact 5. HAARP weather control technology. Many conspiracy theories surround HAARP, but here's what's real. HAARP is a government-funded project that manipulates the ionosphere to improve communications and surveillance. Some believe it could influence the weather, or worse. Fact 6. Active denial system, heat ray weapon. This crowd-controlled device shoots a focused beam of heat, making people feel like their skin is burning. It's non-lethal, but extremely painful. Used for riot control, it can stop people without firing a bullet. Fact 7. The TR-3B Black Manta. This is the most mysterious of all. A supposed anti-gravity aircraft, shaped like a triangle, capable of silent flight and extreme speed. Many believe it uses reverse-engineered alien technology. Still unconfirmed, but sightings continue around the world. The truth is, what we know is probably just the tip of the iceberg. Governments always develop new tech decades before the public finds out. What do you think they're hiding now? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.